Totally cool,
hey,
Dad.
Welcome back. It's Sherice. Today's video I'm going to show you how I do this T-style lace, because you know they ran out of lace, and I'm annoyed because I wanted a real lace front, but you know my stupid ass bought this. But I finessed it. I think what I got to work with, I mean, not that bad. This is my first time doing crimps, so I showed you how I did that in the video. And I got this here from Coco. This is to 24 inches. I don't remember the style, I guess straight hair. And I bought this here like this. I really want to highlight it here. I think it looks very cute. Give you vibes or whatever, give you vibes. But yeah, I really like this wig. I actually kind of like how the crimps came out. It's not perfect because again, this is my first time. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And to stay connected, make sure you follow me on shericejbeauty and shericejbeauty. That's my beauty page. And yeah, enjoy the family. That's it. And you can comment and you can like. I can't wait. Anyway, let's get right into the video because I hate long intros. And thank you guys for subscribing. Alrighty. So what I'm doing right now is obviously cutting the lace. Before I did all of this, I bleached my knots and I plucked the hair. Yes, it still looked thick because this company did not give me no type of hair on the lace, literally a centimeter of hair. So I had to finesse. Then I put my foundation on the wig cap, and not the wig cap, but the lace I meant to make it blend. And right now I'm just cutting the extra lace, and then I'm also cutting my wig cap because I did a ball cap method. And yeah, after this I'm just going to place my glue. I did do 2 layers. This wig you could definitely do the glueless method because they have like a bra strap, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, but I did this way because why not? But after I took this wig off and redo it, I did the glueless method and it still looked the same and flawless. And again, I did put 2 layers of the wig glue because I did not want this to be on my head for that long. So after I applied that last layer, I'm going to stick the wig down. And yeah, I'm not going to lie to you guys. This gave me a little difficulty. I don't know because I had extra lace, but it was problems. It wasn't sticking. I don't know, I didn't have 90% alcohol before. I really don't know. But I did it again. It sticked. It worked. But yeah, I'm gonna stick to doing how I normally do it. Honestly. But yeah, right now you just see me, I'm just gluing the wig down. And after that I'm gonna tie it down with the little elastic bands and let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll come back, cut the extra lace for my baby hairs. And just in advance, I did not get to show you completely how to my baby hairs, so please forgive me. Please. I'm sorry. I really am. I'm sorry. So I'm using the blow dryer on cool just to like make it set more, and then after that I'm just going to cut the excess lace with my razor and my scissors. This part is not the best, not gonna lie, but just watch.
Japan. Japan.
So after I applied the extra glue, what I'll be doing is going back with my foundation brush just to make it look more seamless. And then to make it stick even more, I'll be using Got to Be, and I'll be blowing drying that on cool to make it, you know, dry faster and let's look more seamless. So this was definitely trial and error. I'm not gonna hold you. Doing the T-lace wig was very difficult for me because I'm used to having way more hair to pluck with and to maneuver. But I definitely felt like I did my best. And I mean, the more I try it and I use it and I reapply it, like, it's easier. But I wish I had a different type of wig that had more hair to make it more easy for me. But in this clip, I am definitely going to show you how I do like a little bit of my baby hairs. I use mousse. I didn't use gel. I actually like using mousse more than gel because it make it look more softer. You can use any mousse that you will like, but just don't use the mousse that have alcohol or any type of oil. So just swoop, 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 swoop. And then in the next clip, you're going to see me doing my crimps. So I'm just going to play music and you guys can watch me do that.
Japan. Japan. little. Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
So that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me how you feel about my crimps. I should probably do it again because I don't really know how I feel about it. And thanks for watching. Still can't wait.